Recap. Welcome to Smarty Service. This is your review of the customer 185. This is the Samsung Galaxy Note9. And the problem that the battery pop up looks like pregnant. Very bad. So we replaced the new battery for the customer and put back the backlash, and now it's ready to go. So I'll let you know if you have the Android phone, any model, and need for the service or replace battery or screen, even fixing the main dot. Feel free to contact us at the Smarty Service in Bangkok. In total, we have 10 branches in Bangkok. Feel free to drop in. So see you on the next video. Bye bye.